In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of the inputs on your LG Smart TV. It's very easy. All you have to do is to press on your remote control on a button that is looking just like this one. It's for inputs. Yours may be located down there depending on which remote model you have. You need to keep it pressed till this menu pops out on the right side. You need to go down to where it says all inputs selected and press OK. Now this will open and you'll have to select which input you want to change the name. Let's say on HDMI 2 I have a Fire Stick. So I'll select HDMI 2, press OK. Go on the right side where it's written input label, select it and press OK. And here you will be able to type another name. So let me do this. Select this icon if you want to delete and just press OK. And let me type. Once you're done, just select the enter option and press OK. And you'll have a brand new name over here. You can also change the icon if you're not happy with this HDMI 2 icon here. Just press OK once you're on this option. And you'll have a few more options. But I prefer this one, so I won't change it. Once you're done, to quit, you just need to go and press on this X icon over here and press OK. You're on your remote control and you're done. So now if I open my selections, I can see here Fire TV instead of HDMI 2. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment, and why not give a thumbs up if this video was helpful, obviously.